Now some of the other tools up along the top row here, this one right here allows me to share or show the multimedia library. And it says right here that I can share the following file types: Windows Media, MPEG, MPEG-4, MP3, QuickTime, and Flash files. And here what I can do is I can upload a file. So I'll click Load a Multimedia File, and then let me find an image file or something on my computer here. Let's see. Click Open. And what it does is it uploads that file to the Elluminate server. You can see right here loading 41%, 69%, 93%, and then complete. And then what I can do is the students, now that this is loaded, they can open up their multimedia window and download that multimedia file and play it. This button allows me to transfer files to students, so it opens up this window. I can add a file here, and then I can send a file to students over Elluminate. So you can see right here, it's going to load up the file, it's complete, and now the students can open up their file window and download that file. These buttons control my camera. If I click that, it disables my camera. Click that, it starts my camera. If I click this button, it shows my video window. All I have to do is select the right camera. There I am. And now if I click transmit, it'll send my video image out to the students in the classroom. And then I recommend keeping this on fine color. Although it's a little harder on bandwidth, you're going to get a much better video quality. And if I click transmit again, it stops my transmission. I'll go ahead and close that. This button starts a web tour. I can type in an address, and it will open up a web tour window for the students. And then I can click through this window and the student's screen will follow mine. That's one of the really great parts about the web tour, is that the student's screen follows mine. This one sets up a timer for me, so if I have a countdown timer, maybe to the end of the session or something, I can have that start right here, and then I can stop the timer. And this brings up a notes window right here where I can just leave myself notes. Okay, so that's really about the tour of Elluminate. That gives you kind of the best of all the tools that you can use inside Elluminate. What I would recommend now is that you create your own sessions and play with this before you would run a live one with your students. That'll give you some experience in working with Elluminate and working with the tools before you actually have to go out there and do a live session. So that's how you use Elluminate.